would like to take this moment to thank you and congratulate you on a job very well done. Those of you that worked your way through all of the class material will have developed a strong knowledge base to build upon. Take a moment when this video is done and look back at all that you have accomplished. The work for this class was not trivial, but we hope that your hard work has been its own reward. As you continue on your journey of working with microcontrollers, we invite you to refer back to the class's reference material often. It contains a significant amount of information that we believe will help you for many, many years to come. In addition, please make use of the Texas Instruments MSP430, microcontroller, and Launchpad websites and wikis. These are wonderful resources with many additional tools and references for you. Finally, we would like to thank you for participating in this class. Developing the course material was a lot of work, but it was a labor of love. We appreciate your efforts, and we would like to invite you to share any ideas or suggestions you have for improving the course. Thanks one more time, and make it a great day.